Most people think longevity requires expensive gym memberships, but this fitness expert proves otherwise with just 2 kettlebells in a bare garage. She demonstrates kettlebell periodization, a strategic training method that alternates workout intensity to maximize health benefits over time. Her first kettlebell weighs 16 kilograms for heavy strength days, building bone density and muscle mass that protects against age-related decline. The second, a lighter 8-kilogram bell, serves endurance-focused sessions that enhance cardiovascular health and metabolic function. By rotating between these weights throughout the week, she creates progressive overload without plateaus, triggering continuous adaptation that research links to extended health span. The approach targets multiple fitness components: strength, power, and stamina, using minimal space and equipment. Studies show this varied intensity training reduces inflammation markers and improves mitochondrial function, both critical for longevity. Her simple setup delivers complex physiological benefits that rival any fully equipped facility. Could strategic equipment choices transform your longevity approach?